Good day, Mom, sir. My name is Clarissa Huyad, 30 years old, single, and have two children, a 13-year-old girl and a 10-year-old boy. And I am a high school graduate and have a domestic work experience here in Philippines for 3 years. And I have served one couple and one newborn until she turned 3. And my duties and responsibilities there are taking care of the baby, cleaning the house, washing clothes, ironing, cooking, and sometimes marketing. Mom, sir, I am hardworking, responsible, honest, and gentle. And I have a strong passion in taking care of the newborn. Please, Mom, sir, please choose me as your domestic helper. I promise that I will do my duties and responsibilities, love you as my own family, and finish my 2 years contract. And if you want me to stay, I will. Thank you, Mom, sir.